Hi there. This is going to be a tutorial regarding how to use email. It's going to be a very basic tutorial. You literally just showing you how to access your emails, how to send one, how to open one, how to delete one and delete multiple emails. Plus we'll look at a few other things as well, such as accessibility, changing the color scheme, a little few things like that. Now, open up your browser. I'm using Chrome on Windows 8. Now, I'm going to show you the email through Gmail, through Google Mail. So you might have alternate email, you might have Yahoo, Hotmail, whatever. There's quite a few clients out there that offer email services. I use Gmail, so for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to show you through my Gmail account. Okay, so go to the Google front page. Okay, if you haven't got an email account, Google Mail, Gmail is very easy to set up. You do, however, need an active mobile number, as I found out recently. For registration purposes, you have to put in a mobile number. They will then send you a text, or you can come to call you. You type in that code, or however you received it through the call or through text. That activates your registration. I can't remember if I did that when I first signed up. It was quite a few years ago now. So yeah, just bear that in mind. If you haven't got email at all, then Gmail is very simple, very easy to use, but you do need that mobile number to register it. Okay, so go to the Google homepage here, click on Gmail up here. Now, this is recognizing that I've been signed in before. It's even kept my password there, as you can see. It's all blurred out, of course, or starred out, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that's my email address there. So I'm just going to click sign in there. Now, these are all my emails. You won't be able to see them because I don't really want you knowing exactly who I've received emails from for privacy reasons. But it's quite straightforward. Okay, you want to click on an email. We'll show you that. Writing an email, easy to do. Okay, we'll start with writing an email. It's under compose. Compose is not really a word we use much. Compose music is usually the context we usually hear it in, but in this context it also means write a new email. So we click on that here. Opens up a small window here. Now you can also create it to be larger if you want to. So you can have it like that, and you can write it out accordingly, or you can have it minimized. It's not a problem. Well, I'm going to go ahead and send an email to myself. Okay. Test as the subject, and just put hello. Oh, what's wrong with me? Game's not working. Okay. How strange. My M key isn't working. I'll look into that later on. I think that's more a case of fault with my keyboard, perhaps. Anyway, you've got a number of options you can do in here. You can bold, italic, underline. You've also got text color as well. There's a number of options you can do. You can change the font type here. Hasn't got in a comprehensive list. It's only about 10 or so font styles you can use here. You can increase the font size as well. Large, huge. I have to select it first. Sorry, huge. So whatever, you can mess around with that a bit later on. You also attach documents on here. You can attach a file there, attach it from Google Drive, insert a photo, insert a link, or insert a little emoticon. There you go. Once you're happy with it, you literally press send. You can send to multiple people as well. You can start typing other sort of options on there. You'll notice there that when you start typing, the list from your address book will show up. So obviously there's my A's, where that's my contacts with the first name beginning with A or the surname beginning with A there. Okay, so again, these are blurred out, I say, for privacy reasons, but that shows you my contacts and the email addresses, and you can just select which one of those you want. Okay, and you continue on accordingly. Okay, or you can just, if the person you want to send an email to isn't on your contact list, it doesn't make a difference. Just type his email address, his or her email address out, and it will go through fine. You can add as many as you want on there. Okay, once you're happy with everything, hit send. Okay, now that's pretty much instant now. If we just refresh the inbox, you'll notice on there it says 1 in brackets. That means you've got one unread email. Okay, click on that. There you go. There's me at the top there. So it tells you who it's from, the subject, and the body of the email. Okay, so click on that. There you go. Gives you a bit of information there. It was sent at this time. It also tells you how many minutes ago that was as well. There's the body of the message. Now you can reply directly on this page. Make it quite easy. If you want to just send a reply back, you can. Just write your text in that box there and hit send. Quite straightforward. Now there's a number of options you can do. You can move these emails. We won't look into that. This is a basic tutorial, so I'm just going to look at deleting emails, because obviously that's something, you either read something, you either keep it or you delete it. There's other things you can do, but for this tutorial we're just going to stick with the basics. Okay, there's your delete button there. Okay, just press that, that'll be gone. Okay, an alternate way of doing it would be to select this box here. See, that highlights the email there. You can delete that. Now you can also delete batch ones, which means select whichever ones you want. You can also, using this box up here, you can select all of them. So you want to get rid of all your emails. You can, as you see, they're all selected. Okay, on the page though, as you can see, it's on the page. So you can, because there's it says here, all 100 conversations on this page are selected. Select all 111 conversations in the inbox, which means there's a second page with 11 emails in there. You can select that box, and then if you want to get rid of your entire inbox, you can do it that way. Okay, we'll just click on none for the time being. Okay, that's a useful little feature. Okay, in the meantime, we're just going to delete this one email here. Okay, so you select that one email. There's the trash can there. It gives you a little diagram, text underneath that says what it is. Okay, if you're ever unsure, just hover the mouse over it. It will tell you what it is. There we go, deleted. Okay, now it's not deleted permanently. It's gone to your bin. Okay, so you select the bin here. and there it is at the top there. Okay, so if you wanted to restore it, you can. You select that, okay, and then you can move to, there you go, and then you can select your inbox there, move back to the inbox. We'll just do that just for the time being. So if you've deleted something by mistake, you can easily move it back to the inbox. Now you'll notice here that the messages that have been in the bin for more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. Okay, so you've only got 30 days to do that. Okay, so there's the email again, but we don't want that. We're going to delete it. Okay, there's another option I wanted to show you as well, which is very useful. I just have this out here as well. Is this option up here. Now you've got an input tool here. Okay, now you've got a couple of options. You've got the keyboard. This is very useful if, for whatever reason, usually through accessibility, that you're not able to use your keyboard. For instance, I can't use the M on my keyboard, so it could be quite useful for me. Let's see if that's working yet. No, look, I'm pressing M now. M's not working. That's a little bit worrying. But if I was to do that, there we go. I can press M there. So it's not worst case scenario, but I'm a little bit concerned about that personally. But oh well. Okay, so you've got that option on there. So if you wanted to type a few things, okay, you can even press backspace on there. It's quite a handy little program, this. So it's very useful. We'll exit that. You've also got this where it says English there with the pen next to it. You click that. Oh, move that over. You can actually use the mouse. So even if you're limited to just the mouse, you can write. So you want to do a lowercase h. There you go. Finds. Click on that. Oh, it's saying make sure you're on a text field, which I wasn't at the time. Just delete that. So there's my cursor there. Make sure it's in the right place. And this is always on top, so it's always available for you. Click H. There you go. It's available there. You can do it with words as well. Now I haven't figured out where the space key is on using this option on here. So not quite sure where that is. So I'm just going to use the space key on my keyboard. You can write words as well. It gives you just suggestions at the bottom. There you go. Not quite straight O, but I think it's recognised it. Click hello. There you go. You can use this button here to go as the enter button. You've also got the delete button here as well. It's quite a nice little functionality. Another thing to look into is the themes. If you click on this gear, an icon of a gear up here, which is the settings option, click on that and then scroll down to themes. Okay, it will show you a list of built-in themes that you can select. And if you click your mouse on that, give you a preview around the edges there. Lavender there, rose, wasabi, whatever that is, sea foam. You've also got HD themes here as well. Makes it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, I guess. Classic themes. Whatever you want to do. I want to click back on the blue. I like the blue. And that is about it for the themes. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found the tutorial beneficial, and I shall be doing a few more soon. Many thanks.